In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable, disable add-ins in Outlook. Add-ins are small tools that extend what Outlook can do. Things like quick scheduling, task management, or file workflows, right inside your inbox. Here's how to turn them on and how to turn them off when you're done. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Outlook. Then open the official Outlook website from Microsoft. If you're asked to sign in, use your usual account, and make sure you're in the mailbox you want to manage. Once Outlook opens, look at the top ribbon and make sure you're on the Home tab. From here, click the square grid icon that looks like a small square made of smaller boxes. This opens the Apps and Add-ins experience for Outlook on the web. In the menu that appears, select Get Add-ins. You'll land on the Add-ins window. Browse or search for the add-in you want to enable. When you find it, select it to see the details. Then click Add. Outlook may show a short notice explaining permissions. Review that, then click Continue to confirm. After a moment, the add-in is enabled. You can typically access it from the Message toolbar or the More Actions menu when reading or composing an email. If it doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and try opening an email to see it in context. Now, here's how to disable it. Open Outlook as before and go to the same add-ins area. Find the add-in you enabled. Click the three dots next to its name or tile to open the menu, then choose Remove. Confirm if prompted. This removes the add-in from your Outlook, and you can add it back later anytime from the Get Add-ins gallery. A couple of quick tips as you work through this. If you don't see Get Add-ins, your organization may have restricted add-ins, so check with your admin. Some add-ins offer settings you can adjust directly from their card before you remove them. And changes you make here usually sync across Outlook on the web and supported desktop and mobile apps under the same account. If an add-in asks for permissions you're not comfortable with, you can cancel and pick a different one. Also, try to keep your setup lean. Too many add-ins can clutter the toolbar, so enable only the ones you actually use. That's it. You've enabled an add-in, and you've seen how to remove it just as easily.